Got a nasty cough that just won't quit? Or a terrible sinus? Why not give tiger milk mushroom a try? So here are the 5 benefits. 1. Cough relief. Eases persistent coughs, providing natural relief for better breathing. 2. Asthma support. Promoting improved lung function. This mushroom is beneficial for those dealing with asthma. 3. Bronchitis soother. With anti-inflammatory properties, this helps alleviate bronchitis symptoms. 4. Immune booster. Boost your body's defenses with the immunomodulatory compounds found in this mushroom. 5. Stress reduction. Find calm amidst chaos. This mushroom offers natural stress relief. So what do you think?